Alright guys, so what you're looking at is one of my websites, and there's a reason why I didn't show the domain this time like I did in the previous video. That's because I don't want you to see my websites, okay? But I got two of them here, and I'm going to show you some. These are just two websites I'm currently building. I'm not done with the template design and all of that, but I just want to show you some example. So the first video I told you how to find good products keywords, okay? I showed you examples from Clickbank. I didn't show you from Sell Health, but I showed you from Market Health, and I think from One Niche. Okay, so once you found your product, okay, what's the next thing you do? Okay, let me just use this as an example. This is superior single method. Once you found, let's assume this is the product you want to rank for. So superior single method. What is the next thing you want to do? Okay, well, there are two basic things you can do. Firstly, you can decide to build a website around a product, all right, like you saw in some of the examples I gave you. Maybe in this case, I don't know if there's a lot of them here. Okay, in this case it might be this. Okay, one product on one website, or you can decide to build a website that covers multiple products. Okay, e.g. this website of mine that I'm currently building just covers one product, boost your bust only. Okay, but this one covers about 5 different products. You can see customized fat loss, say who. I'm already on page 2 already for this time. Okay, already on page 2. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, I might probably be on page and I'm making extra bucks. All right. Growth of 5. I think I have about 5 or 6 different keywords articles on this website or so. So you can decide to go with any of the system that works best for you. Okay. So the easiest one might be to just register. Let's assume you want to register one domain to one website. Okay, one domain to one website, and you are going after the superior single method product. And you can see that there are other sites doing it. You can see around superior single method.com. This is okay, that is just all. If you go for Venus Factor, you're gonna see Venus Factor reviews. You're gonna see Venus Factor Baban, the Venus Factor reviews. Okay, so you can decide to go with maybe something like this: one keyword on one website, or maybe like this, a website, multiple keywords. Okay, they both have their pros and their cons, but that is not all we are after now. This is because we don't need to be at a master and SEO game. This stuff are easy to rank. So just for example purposes, want to build something like this instead: one domain all about one keyword, one domain all about one product. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you're going to find a domain that is closely related to your keyword. So in this case I might say superior singing method book.com. okay, superior singing method book.com or the superior singing method book.com. Then I'm going to go to Namecheap. There's Namecheap, there's GoDaddy. Okay, whatever works best for you. And I'm going to check if it's available. If it's available, I'll register it. You can see how simple this is. In 30 minutes you can pick a product. All right, you can just pick a product. 5 minutes you just register your product. You register a domain rather for the product. Where's that domain for the product? Oh, let's see if it's available. Alright, it's available. Okay, $10, and I'm going to pick this up straight away. Okay, straight away. If it wasn't available, I'm going to try and use other system. I can use the superior single method pdf.com. See, these domains are always available because most people don't think of this. They want to go after ranking for huge terms. They want to rank for make money online instead of them to rank for products in that niche. That is a faster way instead to make money. That's a faster way to make money instead. Okay, so once I pick this domain, I'll just go ahead and register it. Then when I register it, I'm going to host it. Okay, there's Bluehost or there's HostGator. It costs about, I think, $4 a month to host your domain. Alright, about $4 a month or something like that. Let me see. Let me go to Bluehost. Okay, I'm doing all of this before you're live. Yeah, about $4 a month to host your domain. So once you have your domain, you host it. Then you install WordPress. Okay, you install WordPress. That's very easy to do. If you don't know how to install WordPress, just check out a video on YouTube. It's very easy to do. Install WordPress. I'm not doing all of that in this training. My aim is to show you how to make money quickly. Okay, those technicalities you can see, watch a video on YouTube to guide you through it. But it's actually very easy to install WordPress. Anyway, when you install WordPress, you're going to install some plugins, and I want to show that to you. So I'm going to log in into the WordPress admin for this, and I'm going to show you something that is very important, because right now we want to start ranking. Okay, we want to start setting things in place. So I'm just going to have to pause this video for a moment. Thank you. Alright, so we are the dashboard of the Boost Your Boss domain. So I want to show you something important. Once you've installed WordPress, okay, once you've installed WordPress, I want to show you something important. There's a plugin you have to install. It's called All-in-One SEO. I'm sure you know about it. Now this is so important because right now we want to start setting it up to rank quickly in Google. Okay, we want to start setting it up to rank quickly in Google. So you're going to install a plugin. There's so many plugins you should install, but this one in particular, All-in-One SEO. Okay, so what you want to do when you install this plugin, it's free. You're going to find the link below this video to where you can install it. Alright, so what you want to do is the home title. You want to put your keyword here. Okay, don't put only your keyword, of course, but put your keyword and then something closely related. Like here I put the domain, the product creator name, sorry, my keyword, and I put 70% discount. Then here your home description, you want to talk about what your website is all about, and then you want to include your keyword. Then here in the home keyword section, you want to put your keyword and other closely related terms. Okay, boost your boss review, boost your boss book, journey boating as a product creator name, and some other related stuff, breast enlargement tips. Okay, so you want to do that. Okay, very important. All-in-One SEO. It won't take you more than a minute to download and then to install, and then you just follow this simple instruction that I just laid out here. All right, now something also you want to do, let's go back to the website. I'm going to show you something important. You see there are two factors that helps you rank in Google. The first one is your on-page factor, and the second one is your off-page factor. Now truthfully, your off-page factor is far more important than your on-page factor, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't get your on-page factor right. Okay, you should get your on-page factor right. Now this is what you want to do. Once you write your product review, okay, how do you write a product review? There's actually no answer to that. You can just check out other product review and then follow the system. Okay, though I'm going to give a done for you service by the time you are through with this series, where I can set it up for you and help you make money. We're going to come to that later, but it's very easy to write a product review. Just write about the product, or go online, check other products review related to that keyword, and then write something unique out of it. Okay, but some important tips you need to follow: your title, ensure the product name is there, the first sentence or in the first paragraph, ensure the product name is there, and you want to bold it. Why? Because this is what the Google spider is going to see. Okay, the Google spider is going to come to your site and they're going to see this, so they're going to pick that, oh, this website is about Boost Your Boss. All right, and that will aid your ranking quickly. Now I just built this website. I've not sent a single link to it, and I'm already on page 14 or so in Google. Okay, page 14. All right, for the end of this month I should rank page 1 for this term. All right, anyway, so you put your product name here or the keyword here, and you want to put it once or twice, but you don't want to overdo it. You can see I put it once here, I didn't put it again till here. Okay, you just make it look as natural as possible. All right, 3 4. All right, as natural as possible. Then you write what the product is all about. Okay, very easy to do. And I also advise you create banners and link to your with your affiliate link. Create banners. It makes the design looks lovely, and use a lovely theme. Don't use a theme like this. Like I said, I'm still in the process of setting this up. Okay, I'm still in the process of setting this up, but don't use a theme like this, but something very easy to do. All right, you can see very easy to do. Okay, that is just all. So you can see in one day, in 24 hours from now, you can have your website ready. You just go out there, pick a product, register a domain, host it, write a product review. If you don't want to write one, you can outsource it for $10 or $20. and then follow these on-page factors, install all-in-one SEO, follow this way I showed you to do it, put a 30% keyword density for a 700 to 1000 words. So if your article is 1000 words, you can just put your keywords 3 or 4 times. That is all right, that is all, my friend. Very easy, right? That is all right. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to go about off-page factors to rank for these products. Okay, I'm going to show you that in the next video. Very easy to do, my friend. Very easy to do. All right, see you in the next video.